Welcome to a quick tutorial on how to use Quizzes. Quizzes is your in-app tool for quick, on-the-go training built right into Handtevy Mobile and managed by your organization. If your agency has enabled Quizzes, you can access them anytime by tapping the hamburger menu and selecting Quizzes. You can also be alerted by an in-app notification letting you know when a new quiz is ready. From the Quizzes screen, you'll see a list of all available quizzes. Just tap a quiz title to get started. Here, you'll see who created the quiz, a short description, and any study material your administrator included. Looks like this quiz has a copy of a protocol and a video. When you're ready, tap Start Quiz. Questions appear one at a time and you'll get feedback as you go. The progress bar at the top shows how many questions are in the quiz and which one you're on. You can tap End Quiz at any time, but only completed quizzes will be logged. Let's take a look at the first question. Select your answer from the available options, then tap Next to continue. Great work! Looks like you got it right. If your administrator included explanations, you'll see a short note explaining the answer. Tap Next to see the next question. Looks like this isn't the right answer. Let's keep going. Once you're done, you'll see your final score and your quiz will be submitted automatically. Tap Exit when you're done. Completed quizzes will be marked green so you can easily spot what's finished. And that's it. Show off your skills with quick, in-app quizzes. Your fast and easy way to train right from your phone. Thank you for using Handtevy Mobile.